This beach was willed to the poor people of Fair Hill. Now, when something is given to people from someone and not to the government, I don't think the government has a right to be taking it away from the people in the community. Once it is given to the people, I think the people have the choice to have it. They need to maintain it. It's a public, it's not a private.
Winnifred Beach is one of the few public beaches left in this area, and is a heritage for the people. It has been donated by a certain Mr. Brown to the community of Fair Hill with a leasing of 99 years. Mysteriously happens that a governmental agency acquired the beach 20 years ago, more. Nobody knows how it happened because there was a trust which was controlling the beach, and the administrator sold the beach. Administrators can administrate, but they cannot sell and buy. We were not able to find the administrator anymore after he sold the beach. What happened? That the beach was still public until one day 4 years ago there was a piece of paper hanged up on one of the trees on the beach, and that was a notice for everybody to leave the beach within 2 weeks. There are 45 people working on this beach since 30 and more years. They make their living here.
The people have been on the beach for many, many years. This is where they make their livelihood. This is their everyday work.
And what UDC decided and do, he said that we have to leave and they want to develop the beach. Now, if they're going to develop the beach, they are not going to develop the beach with us, so they decide that we have to leave.
They say they're coming in to manage it, but what happened, you find that the community flavor slowly but surely move out. And then it is only there for those persons who are foreigners and who can afford to pay a cost to get in. And if right along this coastline, where all the areas used to be free spaces, free beaches, the big business people come in, they buy that area and they remove all of that beautiful look. If it's not boarded up, you know, it is built as a upscale place. And so the little God-given right that we have to come down here and you know, utilize the beach is gone.
It's a part of legacy for the people of Portland, you know. It was left to the people of Portland by a man called Mr. Fred Brown, the owner of the property. Yes. So we wanted to stay natural like this, you know, because the UDC want to take it away from us. And the meaning of urban development is to develop in town, not to develop in beach. We want the place to just look same like this, natural. People can come and enjoy it, you know.
Well, I don't agree with the government wanting to take over. What I think I would agree with the government is trying to assist us to make it a better place.
I'm born and grew in this village. This beach I grew and swim, learn to swim and grow up as a kid, me and friends and others, you know. And I wanted to stay free for everyone. Black, shiny, pink, purple, blue, everyone. This is the paradise. Everyone come and enjoy it, you know, everything natural, straight.
So we are trying to save this beach from the government to take it over, because if the government take it over, it's going to be private and it's going to be bad for each and every one of us. Well, maybe it's not bad for the foreigners because they could afford to pay the fee, but for the local people, it will be strenuous for them to pay the $500 to come in every day. So we are asking all the people around Jamaica and out of Jamaica to do their best to try to help us save this beach from the government.
Nobody can afford to pay 500J as entrance fee in this area. If you have a family of 6, they should spend 3,000 just to go to the beach. No, man, that's not fair and that's not right.
You want to take it and privatize it, you know. Because if you privatize it, you can make more money and develop and you ruin the nature, kill the soil, destroy the people and destroy their mind. And we thought the people don't have something to build up their mind. What do you think is about it?
And this is the beach that all of the people around the community use for recreation, for easing stress from their brains. And we don't really want any guest house or no hotels around here. We just want it to live natural. Because we have a lot of hotels and they are empty already, so we don't need any hotels. We just need a beach that everybody can come to enjoy and have a nice time and feel good, you know.
More than 20 or 30 years, people build this, you know. And nobody comes beside poor people, them struggle cleaning night and day. And I just try to survive and can meet people from other places come and enjoy it. So what I mean, so when people see improvement of the poor people them struggle and come out of it, and get it to a distance. That's why they come in and want to come take it over and privatize it. That means the poor people don't have no chance.
Right, it's our livelihood. Send our kids to school and stuff like that, pay our bills and whatever. Whatever we can buy with.
Now we decide that we will not leave. We are going to stand up, and what we decide to do, we decide to take them to court. Now the court that we have taken to was to let the beach be people has free access to the beach, and that's the reason why we take them to court. We take them to court because people have been using this beach from over 65 years and over. We are asking people out there to support us. We have our email. You can send us email. You can support us in any form of things what you want to support us with. But we are not giving up, and we'll be going back to court on the 11th of June, and we are going to have a demonstration, and we are asking people for petition to help us defend Winnifred Beach.
Because without the people and without the help and the strength and unity, nothing is possible, my friend.
Come out and help us. Stand up for Winnifred Beach. Support Winnifred Beach.
So we look forward to keep the public beach and keep it as it is. As you look around, it's such a nice scenery. It's all luscious and green and really breathtaking. When you come here, it's a family beach. You don't want to leave. It's a nice place, really. Save Winnifred.
Yeah, man. Free Winnifred.
So free Winnifred Beach.
Free Winnifred.
Free Winnifred.
Free Winnifred Beach.
Free Winnifred. Yeah, man. It's our love. Yeah.